Today, I'm going to teach you how to make content full screen in Microsoft Teams desktop. This is particularly useful when someone is sharing their screen during a meeting and you want to focus entirely on what they're presenting without any distractions from the Teams interface. Let's assume that you're already inside a meeting and someone is actively sharing their screen with you. The process to make this content full screen is incredibly straightforward and takes just a single click. All you need to do is look towards the top of your screen where the shared content is being displayed. You'll notice a small toolbar or control bar that appears when you hover over the top area of the shared screen. Within this toolbar, you can find an option labeled Pop Out. Click on this button and it will immediately make the content full screen, expanding the shared screen to take up your entire display. This pop-out feature is designed to maximize your viewing experience by removing all the surrounding Teams interface elements, giving you an unobstructed view of whatever is being shared. Whether it's a presentation, a document, or someone demonstrating software, having it in full screen allows you to see every detail more clearly and focus your attention entirely on the content being presented. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity. With just one click, you can toggle between the standard Teams meeting view and a full screen experience. This is especially helpful during important presentations or when you need to examine detailed information that's being shared, such as spreadsheets, design mockups, or technical diagrams. When you're ready to exit the full screen mode and return to the normal Teams meeting view, you can simply press the Escape key on your keyboard or look for the Exit Full Screen option that typically appears when you move your mouse to the top of the screen, and that's it. You've now learned how to make shared content full screen in Microsoft Teams desktop, allowing for a more immersive and focused viewing experience during your meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.